Go ahead.
Before you switch to heating or cooling, you shut the power.
Okay.
Wait about 30 seconds, and then you turn it back on.
Okay.
Then you set it to heating or cooling. So now we're gonna set it to cool. And we're gonna wait that 5 minutes, and then things will start coming on.
Okay, okay. Just this power. Do I need to? How about the? Because the apartment instruction has me going over to the electrical panel. Does it make a difference?
It doesn't make a difference, but using the breaker too many times, it makes the breaker loose every time you trip it.
Right.
It could affect the breaker.
Okay, and then as explained, during winter use low, during summer use high.
Correct.
Okay. So right now, after I set this, it will take 5 minutes to restart the system. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So if the flow light doesn't come on, it needs to be reset. It's basically the message, because you were saying due to the flow valve having it's an old unit, old valve gets stuck.
Yes.
The old valve sensor gets stuck because there's still gas in there. So that's just one point. So the idle light is blinking, but the compressor is on and it's cooling, and the X valve is also turned on, so it's reversed to cooling. So that's what it is.